Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll talk about how to eat out without breaking your meal plan. Dining out is one of life's great pleasures, and the good news is you can absolutely enjoy it while staying on track with your health and nutrition goals. It's all about awareness, preparation, and making smart choices. Let's start with step 1, plan ahead. Before going out, check the restaurant's menu online. Most places post nutrition information or ingredient lists, so you can decide what fits your goals before you arrive. This helps you avoid impulsive choices when you're hungry. Step 2, don't skip meals earlier in the day. Some people think skipping breakfast or lunch will save calories for dinner out, but that often backfires. You'll arrive starving and overeat. Instead, eat balanced meals with protein and fiber throughout the day to keep your appetite steady. Step 3, start your meal with water. Staying hydrated curbs hunger and helps you make more mindful decisions. Ordering sparkling water or herbal tea can also slow down your pace of eating. Step 4, choose your meal wisely. Look for grilled, baked, roasted, or steamed dishes instead of fried or breaded ones. Choose lean proteins like chicken, fish, or tofu, and load up on vegetables or salads for sides. Step 5, ask for dressings and sauces on the side. This gives you control over how much you use, since many restaurant sauces are high in sugar, sodium, or unhealthy fats. Step 6, watch portion sizes. Restaurant portions are often double what you need. Consider sharing a dish, ordering a half portion, or boxing up half your meal right away for later. Step 7, customize your order. Don't be afraid to ask for swaps, like extra vegetables instead of fries, brown rice instead of white, or no butter on your veggies. Most restaurants are happy to accommodate. Step 8, eat slowly and mindfully. Enjoy your food, chew thoroughly, and take breaks between bites. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes for your brain to register fullness. Step 9, skip or share appetizers and desserts. If you want to indulge, split a dessert or appetizer with the table. That way you enjoy the flavors without overdoing it. Step 10, balance your plate visually. Aim for half vegetables, 1/4 protein, and 1/4 carbs, just like your home meal plan. Step 11, be cautious with beverages. Sugary drinks and cocktails can add hundreds of hidden calories. Choose water, unsweetened iced tea, or a glass of wine if you're drinking. Step 12, practice the one indulgence rule. If you're craving pasta, enjoy it, but skip the bread basket. If you want dessert, have it, but choose a lighter main course. Small trade-offs keep your overall balance in check. Step 13, eat according to your hunger. Stop when you're satisfied, not stuffed. Remember, you can always take leftovers home. Step 14, learn your go-to options for different cuisines. For example, choose grilled fish tacos or fajitas at a Mexican restaurant, steamed dumplings or stir-fried veggies at an Asian spot, or a salad with lean protein at a cafe. Step 15, enjoy the experience. Eating out isn't just about food, it's about connection and relaxation. The key is making choices that align with your goals while allowing flexibility. Here's your quick recap. Plan ahead, control portions, customize your order, and eat mindfully. When you approach dining out with awareness instead of restriction, you can stay consistent and still savor every moment. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to handle travel and vacations without losing your meal planning rhythm, so you can stay on track anywhere you go. Let's keep building sustainable habits that last.